So guys, this is my cat, a little bit. She's only a year old. She's gonna be tuned soon. A little bit. She loves me. Little bit. 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 Little. Hey, bit. Little bit. Little bit. Look up. She's doing her thing. She loves attention. I don't know if you can hear her, but she is purring. She purrs so quietly. A little bit. Oh, you heard something? You're looking at your paw. Look at that. She loves. Oh, she loves this. Besides food and water, and her best friend, basically her brother, Prairie, which is a tabby, which is a blue tabby, which he's actually gray. She loves to be pet right next to the ear. A little bit. Let's pull the show out for one sec. She will do this for attention. She is an attention hogger. She loves behind the ears. Oh, Karen, don't call me. See, you're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Like, hey, careful. She does do bad things. I do get after her for it. Now she realized she's like, oh snap, I'm on YouTube, what'd I do? Oh, she just scratch behind her ear too much, and she will, in fact, do that little head shake. So guys, I'm wrapping it up here. Want to say bye a little bit? A little bit. Want to say bye? Want to say bye? Want to say bye a little bit? Look how playful she is. Look at those awesome eyes. Just listening to her purr. Alright, so bye guys.